crowd. Oh my God. Welcome back to Dad's Talk Show for Birds. And people. I know, but legally, the network said we could not call it a talk show unless we also had people on board, so that's what we're going to do. Okay. But do not worry, we have a bird-filled show for you all today, all right? So let's put those wings and hands together for our first guest, Jello the cockatiel. Okay, so Jello, God, it has been a while. How have you been? You want to take on my TV? All right, so Jello, I have a question for you. I asked President Carter this once. God rest his soul. What are your political views? And do you like peanuts? What an inspiration. What an inspiration. Thank you. God, all right, so let's keep this energy going for our next guest. Do we think it's going to be a bird? Bird! Bird person. Bird! It is a person.
Take a seat.
I know. He's absolutely disgusting. His face makes me want to barf in my mouth and swallow it. I get it. All right, but in order to get the birds, we have to have them. All right. Okay, so yeah.
Cool. Thanks for having me, Dad.
Yeah, whatever.
Are you gonna ask me any questions?
Hey, if it makes it go faster. What's your name?
Oh, my name's Ted.
Oh, like Ted Bundy, the serial killer.
Nothing like Ted Bundy, just the Ted part, Deb.
You're just like doing a lot of talking, like a lot of this, and I don't. Ted Bundy, everybody. All right. Okay. Next. Let's start stomping those tailings and feet. For our next guest, guys, I cannot believe we got her on the show. Give it up for Dr. Bongos the dog. He's for the bird. We already went through this. Okay. Now, Dr. Bongos. You are a doctor, a woman, a bird. How do you do it all?
She's not actually a bird. Just
You know, it's so funny. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to the birds. Okay, sorry. I am so sorry, Dr. Bongos, of this BITCH. Got in the way of your special moment. So, Dr. Bongos, I have to ask. Do you have any comments on the uptick in a bird slander rhetoric with this bird flu? You are doing the work.
Are these filled with bird seed?
Yes, it's for the birds. That's for you.
Isn't Ted Bundy stupid?
That is not my name!
All right, now it is time for faves of the week. First, we're going to start with the movie Rio. Owls. lady from Home Alone, Ally. Costco sale on sunflower seeds. And of course, Mother Goose. Give it up. Give it up. Now it's time for Dad's thoughts of the week. First up, Alfred Hitchcock, bird slander. Guns, bird murder. Clean windows, bird concussion. People who throw rice at weddings, bird stomach exploding, also bird murder. Ted Bundy, people murder.
Hey, come on! Really? Where'd you get that picture?
Honestly, like, what did Ted do besides just be a human?
If that isn't enough. People steal your pudding cups. People divorce your mom. People make fun of your pigeon toes. But pigeons, they just get it. Birds, they listen. And like we always say on this show, you guys say it with me, you say it with me.
Birds made for life!
So that's all the time we have today. It is time to say bye-bye to these birdies.